KTM is expanding its 990 Duke lineup for 2025 with the introduction of a more performance-oriented R model, designed to compete with the top contenders in the mid-sized super naked category. This R version features an upgraded 947cc parallel twin engine, now producing an impressive 128.2 brake horsepower, boosted by 6.9 brake horsepower through refined mapping. It maintains a robust peak torque of 76 pound-feet at 10,500 RPM, while the overall weight remains at 190 kilograms. The R model enhances rider experience with an 8.8-inch TFT display mounted in a landscape orientation, complemented by new switchgear that allows seamless navigation through connectivity options, riding modes, and more. True to KTM's performance ethos, the rear ABS can be disabled, and the riding modes are customizable for both road and track environments. In terms of handling, the ground clearance has been raised by 15 mm, enabling a 3-degree increase in lean angles. This improvement is achieved through longer travel suspension and a steeper swing arm angle. The WP open cartridge front forks now offer 143 mm of travel up from 140 mm, with an increased diameter from 43 mm to 48 mm. Enhanced settings provide a 34% boost in stiffness, ensuring better stability during hard braking. At the rear, the WP Apex shock has been upgraded to work with a new linkage system, incorporating a linear spring and reducing travel by 10 mm to 140 mm for improved responsiveness. The braking system features Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers and a Brembo MCS master cylinder at both the front and rear, while both 17-inch wheels are equipped with Michelin Power Cup 2 tires, ensuring excellent grip and performance. With its powerful upgrades and focused design, the KTM 990 Duke R promises to deliver an exhilarating riding experience for both road and track enthusiasts.